Hey guys, today you're going to be thinking about your strengths and your challenges. So you're going to be thinking about things you're really great at, things you're pretty good at, things you want to work on, and things that you are maybe a little afraid to try. So take a look at this assignment here. It says, think about your English 9 class. That's the class that we're in right now. Think about, what are you great at? What are you good at? What do you want to work on this quarter? And what are you afraid to try? There's 4 boxes here. I am great at, I am good at, I want to work on, I am afraid to try. I want you to look at all of these things in here. And I want you to write them in the box that represents how you feel about these things. So, creative writing, that means writing stories that you imagine on your own. Is that something you're great at? Maybe something you're pretty good at? Something you'd like to work on? Or something you're afraid to try? How about speeches? Talking in front of the whole class. Is that something you're great at? Something you're good at? You want to work on? Or you are afraid to try? I want you to look at all of these and write them in each of the boxes that they belong. So you're going to use each one of these words one time and put them in the box that they belong in for you. So we've got creative writing and speeches, using Schoology, reading for fun, asking for help, using Notability. Some of you still don't know how to use that quite right yet. How about academic reading, like reading textbooks, reading different types of school readings? Time management, managing your time. Are you good at managing your time, making sure that you have enough time to do all of your work and you're not playing video games or playing Among Us? Using Google Docs. Marking the text. That means highlighting important things that you see in a story, underlining new words. How about reading directions? Are you good at that? Coming to Google Meets. Some of you are really good at that, and some of you definitely need to work on that. Taking notes, academic writing, and redoing assessments if you fail. So think about these 15 things in the box. For you, write them in the box. Where do they belong? I am great at. Which of these are you great at? Write them here. I am good at. Which of these things are you pretty good at? Write them here. I want to work on. Which of these things do you need to work on? And I'm afraid to try. Which of these things do you need to do? Make sure you use all the words. There's 15 of them. They're going to go in these boxes. That's it for today. We'll see you on Thursday.